Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor and today's my video topic is string is immutable in Java. Let's first get started with the basics of the strings. Strings are widely used in Java programming language. So in this Java programming language, these strings are usually, not usually, they are treated as an object and they are nothing but the sequence of a characters. So there are two ways of the string creation. First, that is using the literal, and second is using the new keyword. So using the literal means defining the data type, then assigning the reference variable name, and in front of it immediately writing the actual string or actual the sequence of characters which you need to be stored in that string. Then there are second way, that is a new keyword. So the syntax of the creation of a string using new keyword is string, that is keyword for the string, then reference variable name is equal to new keyword and string, or and in parenthesis we can write the actual string which needs to be assigned to this reference variable. So in this string concept, these strings are stored in the SCP memory area. So SCP, that is a string constant pool, is a dedicated memory slot present inside the heap memory area. So in heap memory area, this SCP is especially or specifically given for the strings types of string objects. Why it is made like that? So whenever we create, so the concept of this string is as follows. So whenever we create string using the literal, that is string s1, for example string s1 is equal to hello Java, then at that time this hello Java string will be stored in the SCP memory area. Then after the creation of the string, the JVM will first scan the whole SCP memory area. So in the SCP memory area, it will look for this hello Java string. If it is not present in this SCP, then it will assign this, it will create this string in that SCP memory area, and it will assign the reference variable, that is s1, to that string. Now again we created a second string, that is string s2 is equal to, and again hello Java. So now for the second time again the JVM will scan for this hello Java string in the SCP memory area. Now the JVM will find that this string is already present. So instead of assigning a new memory location or new memory to this currently present string, the JVM will assign the address of this previous string to this new reference variable s2. So after this process, the s1 and s2 both reference variable will point to this particular Java hello Java string. So the problem is, now here the concept of string immutability comes into the picture. uh, so the string immutability means the string cannot be changed. Now let's start with our previous example, that is string s1 is pointing s1 and s2 both are pointing to the same string. Now let's assume that strings are mutable, that means we can change the string. So if we made some modification in the string using the first reference variable, so for example we concat that string, the string s1 is equal to s1 means s1 is equal to s1 dot concat, and we add word to it. So the new string will be hello Java world. Now the problem is the second reference variable, that is s2, is also pointing out to the same string. Now these changes will be reflected into the second reference variable also. So now the for the both the reference variable, the string will be hello Java world. So that is the problem in this scenario. So to avoid this circumstance, the strings are made as a immutable in Java. Again, when strings are created using the new keyword, the string for the string and its reference variable and string is stored inside the heap memory area, and its one copy is stored inside the SCP memory area. Now the immutability, because of this immutability, it avoids the ambiguity, like if same string is referred by the two codes, then after the performing the modification, the new string will be created, and the reference variable through which we did some modification, this reference variable will point out to the new string, and original string will be as it is inside the SCP memory area. If no reference variable is pointing out to the string, that string will automatically go into the garbage area. Otherwise, it will remain as it is. And that's the benefits of the string, and that's the reason why string is made as immutable in Java. Thank you.